Did you know that the global umbrella market is expected to reach a whopping $7 billion by 2025? This isn't just a testament to our love of staying dry. It reveals how umbrellas have become a significant part of our everyday lives, from shielding us from the rain to serving as a fashion statement. And with each passing year, this industry continues to grow, reflecting our enduring need for this versatile accessory. Now, let's dive into the fascinating history of these everyday marvels. The story of umbrellas begins over 4,000 years ago. The first umbrellas, or parasols, were not used to shield from the rain, but to provide shade from the scorching Egyptian sun. They were made from palm leaves and feathers and were considered a status symbol, primarily used by pharaohs and nobility. This concept traveled across continents to ancient China, where the umbrella underwent a significant transformation. Chinese artisans started to waterproof their parasols by applying a layer of wax and lacquer to paper parasols, making them ideal for rain protection. It was also in China that the umbrella became synonymous with power and prestige, often depicted in the hands of deities and rulers in artwork. As trade routes expanded, the umbrella made its way to Europe. However, it wasn't until the late 17th century that the umbrella became a common sight on the rainy streets of England. It was Jonas Hanway, an Englishman, who popularized the use of umbrellas for rain protection, braving ridicule and scorn. Soon, the umbrella became an indispensable accessory, protecting people from the unpredictable European weather. Throughout history, the umbrella has been a symbol of power, a status statement, and a practical tool against the elements. Its evolution is a testament to human innovation and adaptability. The umbrella, a simple object with a complex history, has been protecting us for thousands of years. But how are these indispensable accessories made? The creation of an umbrella is a delicate process that combines traditional craftsmanship with modern technology. It all begins with the selection of materials. High-quality fabrics, sturdy metals, and durable plastics are carefully chosen to ensure the umbrella can withstand both sun and rain. Next, these materials are meticulously cut and shaped. The fabric is cut into panels, which are then sewn together to form the canopy. Metal rods are shaped into ribs and stretchers, creating the umbrella's skeleton. The handle, too, is crafted with precision, often from wood or plastic. Once all the components are ready, they are assembled with expertise. The canopy is attached to the frame, the handle is fastened, and the opening mechanism is installed. Each step requires a keen eye and steady hand. Lastly, the finished product is rigorously tested for quality and durability. It's a fine balance of artistry and engineering, where precision, craftsmanship, and innovative techniques come together to create a product we so often take for granted. From an ancient sunshade to a modern rain shield, the umbrella has evolved significantly over the years, demonstrating our ability to adapt and innovate. So, what have we discovered today about the humble umbrella? We've learned that this everyday marvel not only generates a staggering amount of revenue annually, but also carries a rich history that dates back centuries. We've also uncovered the intricate and precise process of how these indispensable accessories are made, from design to the final product. Next time you open your umbrella, remember the amazing journey it's been on. Thank you for joining us on this exploration into the captivating world of umbrellas.